Good afternoon, QDT family. Today, given the volatility that Elon Musk is inducing in Twitter, I thought that I would quickly build a very powerful machine learning model on Twitter. Today, I'm just going to show you how we do that, and anybody can do this. It's very, very simple. Let me just name this model Twitter Auto Series. And so the first thing that I need to do is I need to tell the platform what it is that I want to predict. Obviously, that's Twitter. Click on there. Boom. That's the thing we want to predict, and this is on the daily time frame. The next thing that I need to do is I need to tell the platform what data do I want to use to predict Twitter. I need to choose the data that I'm going to use to predict Twitter. So let's just go through data sources. Do I want to use Apex? This is like shipping data. No. Coin metrics, that's crypto. No. COVID data. Mobility movements. How are people moving around? Yeah, I think I'll put that in the model. I'm going to select all of that. That's 4,278 data sources. Futures data, like energies, and indices and S&P 500, as well as all the future symbols. We have volume and open interest on all of these. There's 3,634 data sources here. I'm going to select all of those as well. All right, EIA, no. News, we definitely want news. We want news on all the commodities and all the stocks. Okay, that's done. We definitely want currencies and European and Asian indices. Select all of those as well. We also want technical analysis. Technical analysis could be interesting. Do we want weather? No, I don't think so. Do we want sentiment data on cryptos? No, I don't think so. Do we want shipping data? Probably not. Indian stock exchange? No. Chinese stock exchange? No. US stock exchange? 6,816 stocks? Yeah, we want that. Chinese. I think I'm going to put Chinese data in here. There's 3,575 Chinese stocks that we have, so I'm going to grab all of those. Why not? China does affect the tech sector. I don't know how much it affects Twitter, but we'll let machine learning figure that out. Forex. Yes, Forex. Actually, those are just single currencies, but we also want Forex pairs. Yes. And global economic data, building permits, car production, cement production. This is like how the economy is doing. Yeah, I'll grab all of that too. So in just a few seconds, maybe a minute, I have selected 19,870 data sources to predict Twitter. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to go 5 days ahead. We have this feature that I'm going to use called Auto Series. Auto Series is a way for us to search through many different machine learning parameters and models. I'm going to set this to 100 different models are built. Out of those 100 models, one will be chosen. And I'm going to use RID, LAS, HUB, RFR, XTR, ADA. These are all the different machine learning model algorithms that we have available. And deep learning, MLP, what's going to happen is machine learning is going to build 100 models using these different algorithms, and it is going to choose the best one that predicts 5 days ahead into the future. I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to hit create. Boom. And in a day or two, we should have the results on Twitter, and I will come back and show you guys what were the best data sources, what were the most predictive data sources, what is predicted, what's going to happen to Twitter in the next 5 days, and then we'll see if that actually happened to Twitter. We'll look at the back testing, we'll look at the strategy, we'll look at the Sharpe ratio and the information ratio. There is so much that we are going to look at when this auto series on Twitter is complete. Don't hold your breath because it might take a couple of days. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.